In front of me is Itel S24 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Users and Accounts. Then hit the gear next to Google and tap on Google Password Manager. Then select that password and input all of those informations. At the top, select any app you wish to save. Then input your username, email or phone number and password. When you're ready to save it, hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!